Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's January 30th, Wednesday morning. We've got some economic reports out here in just a few minutes. The GDP report should be out here at 7:30, and trade's going to be watching that very closely. Grain markets stronger this morning. We've seen the soybeans and the corn take out some of the technical resistance levels and trade above that here in the overnight session. And a lot of that we think is based on a couple factors. One, the weather in South America got a little drier tone to it here this morning, and that is driving buyers, commercial buyers and users of grain to buy U.S. commodities, and thinking that China likely will have to come back and buy some more soybeans from the U.S. here on old crop, as the big concern is that will Brazil be able to export the 2.8 million tons of soybeans that they're expected to ship out during the month of February. There's still a lot of corn in those ports that they've got to move out. They haven't got that done yet. And the weather conditions is causing delay in harvest in the areas where they should be harvesting, and that is causing some delay there and concern that they will not be able to meet that export shipment schedule. And they'll have to, especially China, will have to come back in and buy some beans from the U.S. The dryness in Argentina, nothing really big change there. The weather models are still conflicting, and that is at least providing some support, especially with the strength in the soybean market here at the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. The other factor I think that's driving prices this morning is a risk-on attitude by investors. We've seen the dollar show some weakness here overnight, and that tailwind with the technicals and the fundamental news is providing some strength to this grain market here today. Some of the other news that we've got, the Mississippi River still plugged because of that wreck down at Vicksburg, Mississippi. That is expected to be cleaned up and get back to some normal river traffic again tomorrow. We hope that continues to get cleaned up, as traders there are concerned that there's a lot of barges that need to get to the Gulf in order to get the soybeans especially shipped out on time. So those are factors that we got to watch. I think some key numbers here, the trading range that we've been in corn in the March contract, the 735, 737 range on the upside. If we close above that today, we'd likely get some more buying kick in here going into the close. The soybeans has got the 1460 area has been a key number we've been watching. If we close above that today, we could see some more buying and another step up in the markets just based on technicals. So watch that closely. Stay in touch with Allendale, and we'll keep you informed there. In the livestock trade, cash cattle expected to trade higher this week. However, we just are not getting any support from the product. Yesterday, choice was down 72, select down 132. We need some product improvement there in order to support this cattle price, because the packers' margins have been very ugly and in the red. Continuing that way, we need to see some improvement in product. The retail level, consumers are going for cheaper products such as pork. We see pork demand very good. Cutout values there were up 95 yesterday. Hog supplies are tighter than expected, and this is probably a fallout from the hot weather that we've seen last summer, some of the breeding problems and concerns there as we go into the time period where those hogs would be marketed. So watching that closely as well. This morning the livestock markets are mixed. Cattle up just slightly, hogs are down a bit here today, but the big picture suggests that we should see cattle prices strong as supplies are tight. However, we've got to be able to move that product through the retail level and to the consumer. At the level right now, price levels that we're at, the consumer is balking a bit on those prices. So stay in touch with Allendale's research. We'll keep you informed. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I will talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.